Glass Christmas ornaments have become an essential part of holiday decorations, adding charm and sparkle to Christmas Eve celebrations. Germany, known as the world's capital of ornaments, has a rich history of crafting these delicate treasures. Renowned for their artistry and quality, German glass ornaments have even graced the royal Christmas trees of Queen Victoria. Today, Captain Discovery takes us on a journey to the Inga Glass Company in Germany, a historic institution renowned as one of the oldest in the world for crafting Christmas ornaments. At this amazing place, artisans still follow old traditions like blowing glass ornaments, adding a shiny silver coating, and painting them by hand. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating processes from around the world. In Lauscha, Germany, a town celebrated for its expert glass blowers, artisan Hans Greiner began creating delicate glass decorations for Christmas trees in 1847. Inspired by the tradition of adorning them with fruits, nuts, and sweets, these fragile ornaments rapidly gained popularity across Germany and nearby countries. In the 1880s, American retailer F.W. Woolworth encountered them in Germany and started importing them to the United States, where they quickly became a beloved part of Christmas traditions. With rising demand, glass ornament production extended beyond Germany to countries like the United States and Czechoslovakia. By the early 20th century, innovations such as automated glass blowing machines from companies like Corning Glass Works enabled mass production, making these ornaments more affordable and widely available. Glass Christmas ornaments are treasured globally for their artistry and diverse designs, ranging from classic spheres and icicles to intricate hand-painted pieces. Passed down through generations, these ornaments hold sentimental value and continue to embody the sparkle and joy of the holiday season, blending tradition with the timeless craft of glass blowing. The process starts with an idea, which is turned into a detailed drawing. This drawing shows what the ornament will look like, including all the small details. It can take up to 6 hours to complete the design. After the drawing is ready, an artisan creates a clay model based on it. This model takes about a week to make and helps turn the drawing into a 3D shape. The clay model is then used to create molds, which are needed for the glass blowing step. Did you know glass Christmas ornaments have been used by US presidents as thoughtful holiday gifts for dignitaries, foreign leaders, and guests visiting the White House during the Christmas season? These ornaments are often chosen for their beauty and craftsmanship, symbolizing peace, goodwill, and the festive spirit of the holidays. The glass blowing process starts by heating a glass tube to around 8,000 degrees Celsius until it becomes soft. The artisan places the heated glass into a mold if the ornament has a specific shape, like a star or a bell. The glass blower carefully blows air into the tube to shape the ornament, using just the right amount of pressure. Too much air can make the glass thin and fragile, while too little won't fill the mold properly. Each piece must be shaped quickly before the glass cools and hardens. Once the glass ornaments are shaped, the inside is coated with a silver nitrate solution. The artisan carefully pours the solution into the ornament and swirls it around. After this, the ornament is dipped into hot water, which triggers a chemical reaction that makes the silver stick to the glass. This process gives the ornament a shiny, mirror-like effect. The ornaments are then rinsed with cold water to clean off any residue. Finally, they're left to dry for about an hour before moving to the next step. If you like this content, subscribe to Captain Discovery. Now, after the ornaments are dry, a thin layer of color is added to the outside. This can be done by spraying or hand painting, depending on the design. The coating is applied carefully to ensure it enhances the ornament, while allowing the shiny silver inside to reflect through. Popular colors include red, gold, and silver, though there are over 100 shades to choose from. Once the color is applied, the ornaments are left to dry completely. This base color prepares the ornament for the detailed hand painting in the next step. Skilled painters add intricate designs to the ornaments by hand, bringing them to life with festive patterns and details. Each painter carefully applies layers of paint using brushes to create unique and precise decorations. Depending on the design, ornaments may feature patterns, images, or additional embellishments that require time and steady craftsmanship. Most ornaments take several paint layers to complete, with each layer needing about 20 minutes to dry before the next is applied. The painters can finish up to 110 ornaments a day, depending on the complexity of the designs. Once the ornaments are painted, each piece undergoes a thorough quality check to meet the company's high standards. Some decorations receive additional finishing touches, such as feathers, glitter, or special crowns, depending on the design. Iconic designs, like birds, a signature of the company, are given extra details to make them stand out. Once completed, the ornaments are carefully packaged to protect them during shipping. Finally, the ornaments are sent to retailers and customers around the world, ready to bring sparkle and joy to holiday celebrations. The National Christmas Center, located in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, is a museum dedicated to preserving and showcasing the rich history and traditions of Christmas. Spanning over 18,000 square feet, the center features life-sized indoor exhibits that capture the magic of Christmas memories, history, and traditions. Thank you everyone for joining the journey of making glass Christmas ornaments. If you enjoy exploring anything in the world with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Production Process. See you again.